Today we're going to be going to take some street photos in Sydney, Australia, in the moist pouring rain. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because most of you that watch this channel are not subscribed. So hit the subscribe button, totally free for you, but helps me loads. In the description, there is a link to my presets. There is a ton of presets at an affordable rate. Head down, go and check them out, and let's go outside and let's go and shoot. Do you like the Australian accent? Okay, there is a storm hitting Sydney right now, so I've headed out. It is a little bit rainy. I've got the 24-70mm f2.8 on, and we're going to see what we can get. Stick around, let's see how the night progresses. Hit the subscribe button, and let's go. Maybe this dude down here, 70mm. With a light, that's pretty sick. In portrait, as we are on George Street, I'm going to get the obligatory shot of the tram because, well, it'd be rude not to, as we are on George Street, the most photographed street in the whole of Sydney. We'll just wait for this tram to go through the frame and we'll get one at 70mm. Okay, keeping the same settings as the last shot. Oh, the light and everything, people walking in the frame. Nice and simple photography to get started. And that's the point. That's the point of these POVs, to show you that all you have to do is pick up your camera, head outside, and take some photos. Got this dude in front of us with the umbrella. 70mm is probably going to be the... yeah, it looks sick with the light, the reflections, everything. In post, I'll bring it out. All of the photos in today's video, like I said at the beginning, are edited in my presets, super cheap, link in the description. And there's also a film simulation pack there as well, which helps you emulate some filmic vibes. Okay, so we've just come off George Street here, and you have this like it's all 10 Bathurst Street shopping centre type of thing, and you have this kind of like, I don't know, it's a window, but it shouldn't be a window. I'm going to use it to kind of shoot through when somebody goes through the frame, and it's quite a busy street, so it should work out quite nicely. Bit of a double exposure because there's two people behind me as well. I might pull focus actually through on the two people behind me. We'll take that. We'll continue on. Now, I'm not making any promises at all, but there is lightning about because there is a storm, so I might be able to get some lightning, but I'm not confident, but we will see how we go. So I reckon I can get a shot of people that are just on the left of me. These people here, through this phone booth. Nice and simple. Oh, that actually turned out pretty sick. Hopefully it rains more. I don't know if any of you remember the Osaka video that I did where I absolutely hammered it down. That's what I want tonight. I want absolutely obliteration of rainfall. Okay, dude sat over here on a chair. I think he's already clocked me, but... Tap to focus. Quite a nice frame actually. Okay, let me get a shot here, change the settings to 60th of a second, try and match the dude's pace. It's quite hard to do when I'm walking. Oh, so loud. The lights through here look pretty sick. The neon lights in the background. See if we can tap to focus on the window itself. Okay, tram just pulled in, I think 70mm. Wait for the crowds to die down a little bit, we can step closer. Sick. I think this will be quite a nice frame. Ooh. I think I need to come to the left a little bit. Tap to focus on the door. Ah, yeah, sick. We've definitely got a good, decent shot there. I think one of the things I like to do is find, especially when it's crowded like this, find simplicity like that shot amongst the crowds. And I think that's something that I really enjoy doing with street photography. And although it can be difficult, especially when it's busy, and you know, for me personally, I feel like I do a lot of street photography, so then sometimes I feel like, am I doing too much? But then it's moments like that where I find that one shot, and that one shot almost makes, see if we can get a nice quick panning shot. This person here. Oh, I reckon that worked. I reckon it worked. I reckon it worked. I think we got something there. And this is obviously going to stop in the station, and somebody's probably going to go behind it, which means we might be able to get a good shot of somebody crossing behind the tram. Everybody running to get out of the rain. I'm running to get in the rain. It's so funny. It's a funny life I live. Okay, shot here at 70mm. It's actually a really nice frame. Sick, especially with the lights in the background. Looks really good. In front of the cars. Looks pretty sick. Like one of the shoes in focus. And with the rain, it looks so good. Oh yeah, sick. We got a good one there. I'm happy with that. This is kind of fogging over. I do apologize. When it gets really humid, for some reason the GoPro tends to mist up. I need to buy a new one, but it's holding up at the moment. This is pretty sick. Just this shot up here. Can you see the rain coming down? Looks pretty sick. Might be able to get something with that. Step into the light a bit more. And this is more of like an atmospheric shot, which is nice. Between the lens. Gonna get one on the traffic light as well. For the rain. Ah, hectic. The rain is like, looks so good. And if you do like a longer shutter, obviously the rain will have longer strikes. Longer strikes? What do you call it? Yeah, like, you know what I mean. Oh, that actually looks sick. Okay. See, this is what I was saying earlier on. This is why I want this heavier rain. The heavier rain just, I think, just looks better. Like, the heavier it is, the better. Torrential would be optimum, but you know, hopefully the Sony does me good and doesn't give up. Just here, again, simplistic frame with the phone box. We'll go 100th of a second, ISO 500. Okay, so this frame here, where you can see literally a frame of red. Wait for somebody to walk through the frame. We'll take it. Camera's soaked, but it looks good. Yeah, we'll try and get a panning shot of somebody on the tram. I've put it up to my eyes so I can get better stability. And then person at the back. Oh, I reckon they're good. Yeah, sweet. With the rain as well, looks really good. Okay, so I'm thinking this might be a nice shot with the red sign over there. People like walking across. I actually can't really see the screen. I know I can tilt it, but because it's raining so much, I don't really want to. Because I don't really like water going behind the screen. I know it's probably fine, but personally I don't like to let it do that. So I always try and keep the screen closed when it's raining. Oh, maybe a good shot here. sick. Actually, it's dying down a little bit, the rain, but obviously the surface water is still there, so great for reflection stuff. Okay, so the frame I'm looking at is I want people to walk through here where you get some footsteps with the reflections, but for now we can get just some nice simple shots of the rain kind of drops in the water. We'll just simply wait for somebody to walk through the frame. Okay.
I'm not disturbing you.
No, you're right.
Follow you on Instagram.
No, you're all good, you're all good. How are you?
I love your stuff, bro.
Cheers, bro. No, that's good. Bro, like the weather's insane. Good. What's your name?
My name's Jeremy, man.
Jeremy, good to meet you. Send me a DM after so I know your account and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
And I'll reply to you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Have a good night. Stay safe. See you later. This is pretty sick.
Or should we just be walking?
I think I missed it. I dropped my fucking hot shoe out of the top and I don't want this to get wet because my camera will fuck up, but maybe we can get this. Oh, that actually looks pretty sick. Okay, we'll take it. We're done. The rain is coming down pretty heavy now, and I think we can probably get a decent shot. We go out into the rain. We've got, if we come to the left, we've got the rain coming down. Oh, this looks sick. Okay, we're gonna go 500th of a second, bump that ISO. Oh, that actually looks hectic. If I come over to the left, I want to try and get the tower, the gowing sign, and everything in it. Got some lens flare going on because of the rain, but that just adds to the atmosphere. If we come back over to the left, I actually prefer it with the lights. Oh, this looks sick because of the droplets on the rain. The droplets on the rain, yeah, that's what I just said. That made no fucking sense at all. The droplets on the lens, it looks really sick when looking at the light. All right, I'll take that. Swipe that down, continue on down this way, see what else we can get. Still at this faster shutter speed with the tram going through the frame. Oh, it's lovely. I absolutely love that you can push the ISO to something like 4000 and still get a passable shot with the Sonys. Obviously there's other cameras that you can do that with as well, which I'll talk about in a later video. Let's get down. Nice atmospheric shot. Gonna get wet for this shot, but it's fine. I'm already soaking anyway. It'd be nice if there was like only one car going through the frame. I'll say this beats doing it in rainy, cold London, because at least here it's nice and warm. In London I'll be fucking freezing myself because it'd be too cold. Okay, right, if I get down again, let's get the tram going for the frame. Oh no, fucking hell. I'll fucking take that. That looks sick. With the, because of the water on the lens flare looks absolutely insane. Look at that shot on the screen. Okay, that was 500th of a second, ISO 4000. So ISO is bumped right up so we can get that motion. We can get the, capture that motion of the rain coming down. I think one of the reasons I enjoy taking photography in the rain is because it just changes, it transforms a city. It changes the vibe, it changes everything about a city. Just with like maybe like even 20 minutes of rain, the whole scene changes. And it's a personal kind of thing for me where I just enjoy being out in the rain, and you can maybe hear it in the videos as opposed to when it's not raining and when I do a rainy POV. But I just have this I just feel more energetic when I'm shooting in the rain. I'm not entirely sure why. I mentioned the Osaka video in this video. It's linked in the description if you'd like to go and check it out. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. As I mentioned already, there's a link in the description for my presets. Go and check them out. They're an affordable price and being trusted by 12,000 people. Also, I've been here in Australia for 2 months and I want to know, how's my Australian accent going? I'm trying to fit in a little bit better. I don't know if it works, maybe it doesn't. If you're Australian and you're offended with my Australian accent, then whatever, I'm sorry. But I reckon it's pretty good. Anyway, we're going to have a look at the hashtag OpticalWander over on Instagram, where you can show me the content you're creating and in turn inspire me and inspire others around the world. Okay, the hashtag is up to 626,000 posts. That's 626,000 photos on a hashtag I created in 2020, which every time I look at it blows my absolute mind. We're going to go to the most recent, we're going to go down. and we're going to have a look through here. This skateboarding one looks pretty sick. I love what you've done with the collage. I really like that. It just makes the photos more seamless through the carousel. Going down a bit more, love the vibe in this one. Really nice. This one here, love that. And we'll go with this one. That's really nice. And let's do this one. Oh, that's really sick. Look at the vibe on that. It's got like this really retro, bro. These are sick. Okay, I really, really like these a lot. Also, shout out to Jeremy, who I met in this video. Guys, if you do see me in the street out shooting, just come and say hello. Like, I'm not gonna bite you. Don't worry. I'm not scary. Just come and say hello, like Jeremy did. Good to see you, dude. Thank you for stopping and saying hello. Now, I'm still trying to get settled and kind of used to living in this space, and the best way to record these videos. I'm in the process of filming my What's in My 2023 camera bag video. I've got another video coming up with that camera that's over there. You can't see it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll have to wait till that comes out. On that note, create more, stress less. I'll see you all in the next one, which will probably be a What's in My camera bag 2023. So if you're excited to see what I'm shooting with this year and what camera bag I'm using, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the last 20 seconds where you can go and watch this video, which is the Osaka one, or you can go here and watch this one, depending on which one you'd like to. I would probably go watch this one, but if you haven't, obviously, you can just hit the subscribe button, and it is totally free, but it does really help me. Thank you, appreciate it, love you all. See you next time.